Car number 1, 1956 Mercury Montclair Phaeton, $5,000, located in Kashmir. This is a striking 1956 Mercury Montclair Phaeton with its original orange paint still intact. It's a clean, rust-free sedan with chrome in good condition. The car features fender skirts and original flipper hubcaps. Inside, everything's in place, from the radio to the knobs, clock, cigarette lighter, and the chrome on the door panels. The glass is all in good shape and it runs and stops without issues. Though the odometer is broken, this classic is a beautiful example of a vintage ride waiting for a little love. Car number 2, 1942 Ford GPW Willys MB, $4,000, located in Fort Collins, Colorado. If you're into vintage Jeeps, here's a 1942 Ford GPW that runs and drives but is being sold as a project. It's been heavily modified, featuring a 1968 Ford 200 cubic inch engine paired with a T90 3-speed transmission. The 4x4 system is functional, and the vehicle includes 4-point gears, power brakes with 10-inch drums, and a 4-inch lift sitting on 35-inch tires. There's also electric power steering by Bruno. While it still needs some work, like new gauges, you could either tow it or drive it home if you're local. Car number 3, 1952 Pontiac Chevy Bomb Lowrider, $2,500, located in Sacramento, California. This 1952 Pontiac Chieftain is a great lowrider project for someone looking to restore a classic. Acquired from the original owner, it has been stored indoors since the late 80s, preserving the chrome and body, which has no significant rust apart from a little on the tailpan. Though the motor was swapped for a small block 350, it's not currently running. The vehicle has flat tires and will need to be towed. Accessories include bumper high guards, fender skirts, and full dish hubcaps. Most of the trim and interior parts are included, making this a solid winter restoration project. Car number 4, 1941 Pontiac Silver Streak Project, $2,000, located in Orangevale, California. Here's a 1941 Pontiac Silver Streak that's been in the family for years and is now up for sale. It doesn't run and there's no title, but it's been kept primarily in Southern California, meaning less exposure to rust. All offers are being considered for this classic project. Car number 5, 1941 Pontiac 2-door Torpedo Coupe, $5,000, located in Placerville, California. This rare 1941 Pontiac Torpedo Coupe is a project that's been disassembled for a paint job, but includes all the parts, seats, glass, bumpers, and dash, for a full restoration. The body is in excellent shape with no rust or cancer. It has a straight-8 engine that's not currently running. The frame has been cleaned and painted, and it's been stored for many years, making it a solid base for restoration. Car number 6, 1958 Morris Minor 1600, Mechanics Special, $2,500, located in Berkeley, California. A charming little 1958 Morris Minor. This one's been sitting for decades and is being sold as a Mechanics Special. The engine turns and the tires hold air. Delivery is even available for the cost of some beer and a burrito. It's a straightforward project car for anyone looking to dive into something small and fun. Car number 7, 1955 Austin A40 Somerset 4-door sedan, $1,500, located in Pine, California. This 1955 Austin A40 Somerset hasn't run since the 1970s and will need full restoration or can be used for parts. The engine does not turn, but the vehicle is complete and has its registration. This car is a neat little restoration project or a parts donor for someone familiar with these classic British sedans. Car number 8, 1954 Kaiser Manhattan, $3,500, located in Battleground, Washington. Barn stored for the last 60 years, this 1954 Kaiser Manhattan is in its original condition. The seller has 2 of these cars, and this one is loaded with options, except for a supercharger. It comes with a beautiful burgundy and white paint job and a clean interior. The car was running when parked, and while it's been sitting since the 1960s, it's a fantastic starting point for a restoration project or collector. The seller is open to offers and trades. Car number 9, 1955 Packard Patrician Touring Sedan, plus 1955 400 Coupe hardtop parts car, $2,250, located in Hanford, California. This package deal includes 2 Packards from 1955. The Patrician Touring Sedan has only 15 miles on its rebuilt Ultramatic transmission, but does need some work. It has a tired engine, but the included parts car, a 1955 hardtop Coupe 400, comes with a low-mileage 427 V8 that was running before it was pulled. Both vehicles are California cars with minimal rust, and this project is a great opportunity for someone looking to restore a piece of Packard history. Car number 10, 1958 Triumph TR3 A, $30,200, located in Mendocino County, California. This 1958 Triumph TR3 A is a classic British sports car core in need of a complete restoration. The engine turns freely, but the car is missing its rear bumpers and grille. It's got some rust and will require extensive work, but it's mostly complete and priced to sell. This is a great project for anyone looking to bring a vintage roadster back to life. That wraps up our list of classic cars for today. Let me know which one caught your eye, and we can dive into more details. Whether you're looking for a full-on restoration project or just want a unique vintage ride, these cars have plenty of potential.